Just 10 seconds. That's how long it takes my handwritten journal to become a Google Doc. This is a workflow that I'm really excited about. I personally love journaling on a physical piece of paper, right? We have a big blank sheet of paper right here. I don't like sitting at my computer all day, every day. I like to take a step away and work on my actual notepad when I can. Let me go grab a pencil. Couldn't find a pencil, but I bet this pen will work. I'm gonna show you how my handwritten journal ends up on my Google Drive without me having to talk to Claude Code. I'm gonna do this in 3 simple steps. 1, I'm gonna write down, I'm just gonna make a journal entry right now. 2, I'm gonna snap a quick picture and then I'm gonna send it to my agent in Slack. And then the next step is gonna be checking my drive to make sure that it's there. It's gonna be super cool. All I have to do is send a picture. The agent is going to read it, transcribe it, make sure that it's good to go, and then do all of the clicks that are required to put it in my actual Google Drive. It's gonna name it, it's gonna date it, it's gonna be fantastic. Check it out. Now, this is where I get to just sit and make a journal entry. I think today is the 23rd. Now, this is a pretty short journal entry, but I do want to emphasize I have done this with this entire 11 by 14 page, the entire thing, front and back. I just take a picture, I say, hey, send these as one journal entry, and it knocks it out of the park. But I'll go ahead and show you the workflow. All right, so let me go ahead and open up Slack. Well, first, let me take a picture. And I just want to show you, this is what my desk looks like. It's completely computer free. All right. Now I'm going to take a picture of just the journal entry. Okay. That's what it looks like. All right, now we're going to give it a shot. I'm just going to open up Slack. I'll come over to the screen. All right, and I have an agent in here called Pat's Agent. I'm in a message with it. I'm going to go ahead and just select that most recent image. Boom. Okay. The audio cut out, but all I'm doing here is saying, please upload this to my journal, and then I'm pressing send. Boom, just sent that message. Okay, this is the thread that I'm on, and you see Pat's agent just said on it. Boom, filed to journal. Let's go ahead and click on the link. Boom. Small pivot from current strategy. In there, I just journaled a little bit about how my brother and I, my business partner, we're pivoting in our strategy a little bit for client acquisition. And I'm excited about the direction that we're headed. It's honestly as easy as that. I love doing it this way. This is how my brain works. And the coolest part is it's uploaded. It's gone, it's done. That goes in the trash. I get to work with a completely clean sheet. I know if your desk is anything like mine, the handwritten notes just stack up over time, so it's nice to be able to just toss them when you're done with them. But this workflow is a perfect representation of what businesses are facing. This is how I like to work right now, and AI provides the opportunity to let me keep my workflow the same, but take a huge chunk of it out. There's something that just wasn't getting done before or took a really long time, and now that part is completely eliminated. I don't have to use a new app. I don't have to do anything new. I just have the agent that works. And it can do a lot more than just upload images, but that was the demo that we're showing today. This is something that I hear from my clients. They want AI, but they're scared of change. It's hard for them to get their remote workers or really any of their workers to make meaningful change in their habits. So I show them this. You don't have to change anything. You just add AI around what you already do. In this setting, it's just one DM. That's the whole interface. I don't have to open an app. I don't have to set it a computer. I don't have to retype anything. It just takes care of it. Took about 10 seconds for it to process it. Now, it is using Claude Code on the back end, but me as the end user, I didn't have to interface with it at all. It read the handwriting, transcribed it, named it, filed it in the right folder, and then I didn't have to ask it to do anything. I just said, upload this to my journal. And I can set up other folders for it to send stuff to. I love sketching designs for wood furniture, and all I have to do is take a picture of my design and say, hey, upload this to my designs folder. This is what a good AI setup looks like. Nothing in how I work changed. AI just started handling the part I didn't want to do. And that's the point. This is what an efficiency gain from AI looks like. If you've been wanting AI for your team but dreading the change management, this is how you could do it around what you already do. You don't have to change anything, just hire somebody to build something that works in the background. Drop a workflow in the comments that you'd want AI to handle without changing how you work right now. I'll build it in a future video.